This rarely available first-floor unit is being sold turnkey furnished with the exception of personal items. Relaxing on your extended paver lanai with views of a lake and fountain is a great way to enjoy living maintenance-free in your Florida home. The unit offers split bedrooms, a den and great room layout. The kitchen features granite countertops, tiled backsplash, and stainless steel appliances and a large granite island. Plantation shutters throughout the unit as well as impact windows. Worth mentioning is the oversized garage with lots of shelving along the wall. An electrical outlet has been added near the garage door and the floor is covered with carpet. The amenities in the community are wonderful. The clubhouse has an exercise room, billiard, resort-style pool with a cascading waterfall, and a separate covered spa. Mirasol is within walking distance to